I'm not happy, complained Gordon. Your firebox is out of order, said James. No wonder after all that coal you had yesterday. Hard work brings good appetite, snapped Gordon. You wouldn't understand. I know, put in Duck brightly. It's boiler ache. I warned you about that standpipe on the other railway, but you drank gallons. It's not boiler ache, protested Gordon. Of course it is, said Henry. That water's bad. It furs up your tubes. Your boiler must be full of sludge. Have a good wash out. Then you'll feel a different engine. Don't be vulgar, said Gordon huffily.